Welcome back to CBS This Morning. A single-shot coronavirus vaccine will soon be available in the U.S. for the very first time. The FDA authorized Johnson Johnson's vaccine for emergency use over the weekend, and it's being shipped out today. So far, only 7.5% of Americans have received both doses of the other vaccines. Johnson Johnson's chairman and CEO, that's Alex Gorsky, there he is, joins us to discuss. Hello, Alex Gorsky. Welcome to CBS This Morning. This is big day, exciting news for all of us. We're glad that you're here. So the sound I think you hear are people rolling up their sleeves saying, how soon can I get the shot? How are you deciding who's getting the shot? Where will it be distributed? Ready, set, go, please, sir.
Well, Gayle, look, we're thrilled to be here today because this really culminates more than 13 months of incredible hard work on the part of our physicians, our scientists, our engineers, and the fact that we got the thumbs up from the FDA and the CDC is just going to have such an important impact for patients and healthcare systems around the world. We're shipping as we speak. We expect to have almost 4 million doses out within the next 24 to 48 hours.
Where's it going, Alex? Where's it going, and who's going to get it?
Well, it's going to the U.S. government, and ultimately they're deciding. They're working with the states, as we speak, to try to get them out to the communities. But, we think knowing that we've got a safe and effective single-shot option that doesn't require extensive refrigeration should help that distribution, that kind of bottleneck that we've been seeing significantly in the coming weeks and months.
Alex, how soon do you think it will be before you have more supply available?
Well, we're on track to deliver, as I said, 4 million within the next couple of days, 20 million by the month of March, and we'll have 100 million doses between now and the end of June. And again, what's really important to remember is that's 100 million people by the end of June can have one shot and be done. And so we think that the convenience, the ease of logistics that's going to represent will be significant, not only for our country, but frankly for people around the world.
I've heard that people over the age of 18 are eligible. Is that true?
That's true. In this initial round, our indication is 18 and older. But look, we're already starting on studies for people that are between the age of 12 and 18. We're looking at starting trials even in younger patients and pregnant women because we realize we need to generate that kind of information so people can have the trust and confidence for it to be used. And we're very confident that over the course of 2021, we'll have that data available.
How effective is the Johnson & Johnson vaccine against the new variants that we're hearing about that are spreading so quickly?
Well, it's a really important question because when we conducted our clinical trials on our vaccine, it was during the months of basically September 2020 to January 2021 when the incidence rate was at really its highest levels that we've seen thus far. The second thing is we conducted it around the world. So about 40% of our patients were in the United States, another 40% were in Latin America, and about 15% were in South Africa, over 90% of whom had the South African variant. So whether it was the South African variant that we know is particularly challenging or the P2 variant in Brazil, our vaccine showed 85% effectiveness in severe disease, and it kept all the patients out of the hospital and from dying. And so, again, even in these most challenging areas during the highest incidence rate, we're seeing these kind of results with a single shot. And it's going to be really important for people to get a shot as soon as they possibly can.
I know, and all the experts say whatever shot you can get, please take whatever is available. But why is it okay, Alex, to just get one shot with your vaccine and the others need two?
Well, Gayle, there's a lot of science behind that.
It's a science. That's
exactly.
Okay.
And they spent years developing that. And so to get the right balance of effectiveness, of safety, of dosing, and all those combinations has put us in this position now where we can achieve those kind of results on a single dose.
Alex Gorsky, CEO of Johnson & Johnson, thank you, and thanks for the work that your company has done to get us another vaccine.
Bravo.